All of these were collected last night. Not bad, right? Day 2 dumpster diving, so stay tuned. Hubby in the dumpster, day 2. It's the nighttime though. Well, what them do with them? Put up for what? Yes, guys. Dumpster diving. Got some more blocks. I didn't show you the blocks at the house as of yet. Because we already came and went diving earlier. Excuse me. We went diving earlier, so I didn't get to show you how much blocks we have at the house. But hubby got some pins. He said it's to do something, I don't know. Alright guys, stay tuned. Okay guys, so we are at the property today. We're gonna cut down some of these trees. That's our neighbors. Gonna cut down some of these trees. My husband started. He cut a few already. So it's gonna be a lot of noise, but I'll be videoing through and let you guys see what's going on. Okay. Alright, so in a bit. Hubby in the bushes. Hubby in the bush. Cut one. Cut that one there in front of you. Them little one, no. Yeah.
That's smaller.
Alright, so cut it if you want.
That's a small tree.
Alright, cut the little one first, remember video it first. Cut the little one, remember video it first.
Huh?
Cut the little one, let me video first.
I work no way back.
Just cut that one so we can't stand up here so while they cut it. I can't see you.
Watch ya. We never saw somebody cut tree. People. I saw people cut tree with two hard. Oh, backside. Oh, what is what? Watch ya, watch ya, watch ya. Oh, wait, watch ya, watch ya, watch ya. Eh? Renee, man, stick juke ya. You have to cut it. People should look the littlest tree for cut off on the land. Should look the littlest tree for cut down. The littlest tree. I know you can't take it down. Yay! Renee cut our first tree down off our land. Our first tree. Watch out. I know it's still a cut. Watch out. All people. All knowing just done. Just done. Watch out. Mine is stick cut here.
Okay guys, day number 3. And pretty much everything that we got is new blocks. New. Full. The car is full of blocks, guys. And my mom's is also full. So we working, guys. We working. We working. So this is back here. This is what we got for 2 days here. And now we're gonna add our day 3 to it. Yep. All right, guys. So stay tuned.